Hello, my friends. This is Bud Brown living in Dumaguete City, Philippines. Thanks for coming to my channel. I heard there's an abandoned airplane just outside of Dumaguete. Let's go check it out. Good morning, my friends. Bud Brown, Dumaguete City, Philippines. Yeah, baby. We're going to be on a road trip today. Uh-oh. What I want to do, the plan A, is to fly my drone. I got a new drone when I was in California, and I haven't really had a chance to use it here. So, that ought to be fun. It's almost a couple minutes till 9 in the morning of July 15th on a Tuesday. So I haven't been out here. You know, we've been here, got here April 6th. So April, all of April, May, June, and half of July. So we've been here 3.5 months, and I never really got out of Dumaguete City. So I dropped Gloria off downtown, and I told her I'm going to go down to Darwin, and she said she'd probably catch a ride back to the house by herself. So the wonderful thing about being here, she has her independence, and I'm so happy about that. If you don't know, of course, I have a feeling that a lot of my viewers either live in the Philippines or have some experience here. Know that they have these, call it tricycles. Hold on, I'm going to pass this guy. Technically, you need to honk when you're passing somebody, but I like to do it just to let them know I'm coming around. If this is your first time to my channel, thanks a lot for coming by. Appreciate it. Just a channel about an old man living in the Philippines with his Filipino wife of 53 years. 53 years, what? I know it. I can't believe it myself. She was 21, I was 22. Now we're in our mid-70s. We grew up together. We grew old together. So we're alike in several ways, and we're opposites in several ways. I like traveling around. She doesn't really care about traveling, although she likes to go to town and visit her friends, McDonald's, and what they call okay, which is like a thrift store. So right now, as you can see, Dumaguete city limits right here. Now in 10 miles straight, it says. So those are new signs. Oh, look at those kubos. I like to stop there sometime. Just check out those. Kubo is like a little native bamboo, I don't know, shack, I guess you call it. Although some people live in it. I always wanted a little kubo because they're just so, you know, they let the air go through. And there's some places here that rent like an Airbnb. You can stay in the kubo. One thing I need to remember, make sure I got cash, because once you get outside the city, don't expect to see an ATM very often. I'm assuming they've got banks in Darwin and Baco but I'm not going to count on it. Man, this place is, well, I don't know if you know, but most of you that follow me know that we lived here 12 years, and then we went to the States, and we were there for 2 years. And a lot of changes since they come back here. Like this, look, 4-lane, are you kidding me? Wow, when we left it was a 2-lane, now it's a 4-lane. I heard through the expat grapevine that Darwin is used to be a little sleepy fishing town, as they say, but now getting what many consider as too many people living there. But that's what happens when you find a little small sleepy fishing town. It gets discovered, and everybody flocks there. Pretty soon it loses its appeal. I just love the atmosphere here on the outskirts of the city. All the trees. I say banana trees, but technically the banana plants are not trees. They're technically called a banana plant. Why? I don't know. Maybe if somebody could look that up, do a little research on that. How come the banana trees are not trees? Really be careful where I'm driving. That's the thing. This vehicle that I'm driving is called a multi-cab. It's not mine. It's borrowed from a neighbor. They offered it to us until we get our own vehicle. So I like driving it. It's a nice little vehicle. But, when you borrow somebody's car or anything, there's that stress that you might break it if something goes wrong. And I'm just of the belief that if you borrow something from somebody and you break it, then you should return dogs. You should return it in the same shape that you got it. Oh, there's a big market right there. I'd like to go in there. I think this is back home. I think I'll stop here on the way back.